Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on 5 mega developments that are taking place in downtown Kingston. Now, as you know, the government is spending billions of dollars to improve the infrastructure in downtown Kingston. And private entities are also investing in buildings, etc. in downtown Kingston. Now, downtown is a very busy place. It has a commercial aspect, it has a residential aspect with a lot of communities, and it also has, when we say commercial, it has a lot of wholesales where a lot of goods are sold. And you also have a lot of apartments that are rented, buildings that are used for commercial use, and a lot of residential communities. Some of the biggest companies in Jamaica are located in downtown Kingston. You have Digicel, you have Grace Kennedy, you have almost every bank has a location in downtown Kingston. A very busy place. Just looking straight ahead, you can see that building is the Air Jamaica building, and beside it is, to the left of it is the Bank of Jamaica building, and to the right of it is the Scotia Center. Alright, so we're going to go through 5 mega developments that are taking place down here. Now, number 1 would be the construction of a second tower for the Bank of Jamaica. Straight ahead, you're looking at the current tower, and to the left of where that tower is, the building at the back. To the left of where that tower is, Bank of Jamaica is going to put up a second building, which is 10 floors. And the Bank of Jamaica is expanding its infrastructure with the construction of a new tower in downtown Kingston. This development is part of a broader initiative to modernize the financial district and provide state-of-the-art facilities for banking operation. Now, the second mega development taking place down here is they're building a proper bus facility by Parade. There's going to be a lot of construction out there. Parade is a central area in Kingston known for its historical significance, and it's currently experiencing construction. These developments are part of efforts to revitalize the area, improve infrastructure, and enhance public spaces for residents and visitors. So Parade is a major transportation hub. You have Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, so you have a massive transportation center there, the Halfway Tree Transportation Center. But you also have Parade in downtown Kingston as another major transportation center. However, they don't have the facilities. There's no proper place to park the buses. Sometimes the buses are parked on the side of the road with no covering. So they plan to build a proper transport center by Parade in downtown Kingston. And number 3 is the Kingston Harbor Walk. The Kingston Harbor Walk is an initiative designed to improve the waterfront area, providing recreational spaces and promoting tourism. The project includes the development of a pedestrian pathways, seating areas, and aesthetic enhancements along the harbor. And they have a lot of plans to turn downtown Kingston into a tourist area. And with the cruise ship here just across the Kingston Harbor by Port Royal, a lot of tourism can happen in downtown Kingston. And as what we notice now, number 4 is the building of the UDC parking garage. A lot of buildings were built back in the 1970s. And the way of building buildings back then was to build a structure and then have a massive piece of land for the parking lot beside it. Just as an example, the Bank of Jamaica tower that they're building, the 10th floor building, it's going to be where the parking lot is now. That's the amount of space they have. So they're changing up downtown now. They're putting up parking garages. Most of the new buildings that go up have parking garages as a part of the building. The Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Foreign Affairs has a parking garage. Digicel has a parking garage. No, sorry, digital as a parking lot. Grace Kennedy has a parking garage. So the UDC is going to be putting up a massive parking garage that can house up to 890 cars. So that will help the entire area. So buildings no longer have to be using up so much land space for parking. The Urban Development Corporation has initiated a Northern Parking Garage project to address parking challenges in downtown Kingston. The proposed facility is expected to offer over 890 parking spaces, enhancing accessibility for businesses and visitors. As of November 2024, UDC invited design build bids for the project, indicating progress towards construction. Now, number 5 is the construction of a 10-floor building out by where Palace Theatre used to be. This is the corner of South Camp Road and what's the name of that road? The road that takes you from South Camp Road to Parade. So they're building a 10-floor building and construction is on the way. They demolished some of the structures that are there and they're building this massive building down there. Also, Kingston 2 is building a 10-floor residential building on the waterfront. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think about these developments. Alright guys, have a good day.